The Mesoestetic Skin Balance is an intensive soothing concentrate that is formulated to reduce the signs of reaction on the skin, the reddening where the skin feels itchy, and it may even feel like it is burning and very, very irritated. Mesoestetic have crafted a blend of plant-based active ingredients that work synergistically to create an effect on the skin to reduce the signs that the skin is inflamed, whilst also immediately soothing the stressed skin and reducing the appearance of the redness. The inclusion of panthenol, often called provitamin B5, draws moisture to the skin, restoring the protective barrier, and in doing so, soothing the skin. Aloe vera is a hero ingredient to soothe and restore sensitized skin, while marigold extract soothes skin and also reduces the redness over the skin. The final piece of this formulation balances the microbiota on the skin and floods the skin with antioxidants to boost its natural defense system. Apply 3 to 4 drops of this very soothing concentrate onto your cleansed skin and gently massage it into the skin daily, and begin that process of restructuring your skin. Be sure to apply your treatment cream over the top and always use your sunscreen throughout the day. If your skin is sensitive and you want a product that will help, the Mesoestetic Skin Balance is now available to you at skinmart.com.au.